Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn overview of a web page. Very basic and simple information I'll share with you to understanding about a web page, the real-time web page, how it is, and how the structure of the web page it will be. Like open Google Chrome or any of your web browser, just simply type here like exe example.com. This is the web page. You will be see the information example domain, and once this is called so called it is domain name. When you are going to registering a website, it is called in the term of technology, in the terminology of web, it will be called as domain name. And the domain name it is example.com, where I have entered here, and if I press enter, the domain name it is loaded. And see here on the globe at the tab position, it is showing that the page title example domain it is showing. And in between here, the page is loaded, the content page, and it is showing that a box called white place background box. And here the text is something it is added like text example domain, and the content it is showing that this domain is for use for illustrative and showing of the domain name examples, and the content information it is showing here, and it is having some link. This is a link for, we can call it as an HTML. From this website we can redirect it to some other page or some other website, and all it is possible to redirect. Or from here itself, if I click this link button, when the link is prepared in HTML form, see, when I place the mouse, it will show you that hand symbol. The hand symbol, if I click that link, it will be either redirected to that page or open in another window page will be displayed. And if you want to see the structure of HTML page, like a real-time HTML, like a example.com, we have loaded here by entering. And if you want to see the structure and the source code of this page, just press like a right click from your mouse and see the view source, like a view page source, like a control U. By pressing the shortcut key, you will get the same option. Just see here, right click, view page source. Let's see here, very simple, like a not like exclamatory doc type space HTML. It is indicating HTML5 document, where the HTML5 controls and all the latest features from the HTML5 will perfectly works if you added this tag. Strongly remember, if it is not added, the browser will not understand what type of page it is. So strongly remember and place this tag at the top of the page. And now let's see here, that begins with the code with HTML and ends with the HTML. The structure and real-time code I have taken a source and I'm seeing. Yes, if you want to copy this code, yes, you can copy and use in your web pages as well. And it's very pretty easy, and everything you need to remember, and you need to write all the things. I'm not going to teach like that way. What you want to learn is the procedure, how to use these tags and how to apply wherever it's required. That is the way you can learn. From there you can elaborate many things, and similarly you will apply new and innovations as well. So see here, if you want to take this code very simply by making select all, by press the Control A and Control C for the copy, or else you can press the right click and copy, take your own HTML page, paste there, and save as HTML, and you try to run out. And if you run this HTML form, you will get directly within your local system. It's an example.html page, how it is loading. Like replica, you will get it in your local machine. And similarly, this is the title. It is going to be the title it is showing. I have explained you example domain. This is the title. It is representing from here, and the background of the page, the div tag, and now head section is over. The styles which is applied from here. This is the part of head part is over. Once head part is closed, it is comes under the head like a body tag. Body tag is initiated from here and ends with here. See, the end tag, once it is completed, you see here in between the body, you will get and you will see the div tag with the H1 information here. H1 means header tags. Header tags are 6 tags are there with the different type of sizes. You will get the data, which is header tags are coming from by defaultly with the HTML language. And a paragraph tag, once it is initiated, the paragraph tag ends with the paragraph, and one more paragraph it is initiated with the p tag. And a representation, it is comes with the href, like links, any HTML or external sources you want to give in a HTML form, you can give like a tag and href of website to your example, like your where you want to open the page or reference you have to give here, like text to be displayed as an outside. The link will not be displayed at the output. These text, more information will be displayed. Like see here, this is the information. And once it is completed, div tag is over and body tag. With the end ends with the HTML form. That is about to do the overview of HTML form. In next lecture, we'll see how we are going to add these like text and information partly. What is the part, which is the part we are going to adding, how it is going to be adding within the tags, and all the things we'll see in the next lecture. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.